Simple love spell. This simple love spell is best performed to bring you the love you need. On a Friday night on a full moon. How would you feel if your love would hug and kiss you right now? And would never want to go away from you again? You will shortly realize how this powerful love spell can bring you both together into a loving, everlasting and strong relationship. To get started with this amazing love spell, you only need 1 red pen, 1 sheet of paper, 1 envelope, your perfume, a red lipstick, some petals from your favorite flower, a red candle. You will find this love spell is very beginner friendly and simple to cast. Life is nothing without real lasting love, and this love spell will bring you all the love you could ever want from the person you love, or the ex that you want back in your life without having fights or any negativity. Write what you want in a lover on the paper, with your red pen. Then spray the paper with a little perfume and place in the envelope. Now light the candle and hold the flower petals in your right hand, visualize yourself happy and in love. Chant the following. I call upon forces higher than I, to awaken the dream I hold inside. Through this connection know my need, I ask for love's enchantment with all speed. So may it be. Blow the candle out, then drop the flower petals into the envelope. Seal the envelope, then apply the red lipstick and kiss the envelope. Sleep with the envelope under your pillow, keep it safe. If the envelope is ever opened, the spell will be broken. Your spell is now complete for today. To get the best results out of this spell, you should cast this spell every day for 7 days. Forget about any other love spells for the duration of these 7 days. You need to stay consistent to get real results. So, come back to this video every day for 7 days and do this powerful spell for 7 days. Every time you cast this spell, your crush will desire you more, and is more desperate to see you. Press like and comment below this video with some positive vibes, and you shall receive many blessings from the universe.